Welcome learners. This is Dr. T. Gangaram, lecturer in statistics, SVA Government College, Srikalahasti. In this video lecture, we will discuss the second unit of minor, your minor paper, numerical analysis, numerical interpolation, introduction, methods, assumptions and its applications. Generally, statistical data related to two mutually dependent variables and generally given in a discrete series. The definition of interpolation is, it is a method of estimating the unknown value of the dependent variable for the known or specified value of independent variable is called interpolation. Let the x series starting from with equal intervals x, x naught plus h, x naught plus 2h, so on, x naught plus nh. Here the interval of difference is h, be the independent variable, and y0, y1, yn be the corresponding values of the dependent variable. Y is equal to f of x. The interpolated argument must be lies between the minimum and maximum values of the x series. The interpolated value must be between x0 and x0 plus nh. And the definition of extrapolation is, it is a method of estimating the unknown value of y is equal to f of x for an extraneous or beyond outside the value of x series. In extrapolation, the value of the argument lies beyond the given values of x. For example, let us take this example, the x series starting from 2 to 12. Here the interval of difference is 2. The corresponding for any given corresponding values. Suppose for x there may be for x is equal to 2, the y value may be 10. For x is equal to 4, the y value may be 15. Like that, for the value of x is equal to 12, the y value may be 100. Like that, for any corresponding values of y, the estimating the value of y for the given x series 2, 3, 7, 11. Here this 3 value is lies between this range only, 2 to 12. 7 is lies between the 6 and 8. 11 is between 10 and 12. These three values are lies between the given range of x series only. The estimation of values of x for the given values of x, the estimation of value of y in the within the interval of x series is called interpolation. And this minus 3 for x is equal to minus 3, if we find the value of y, what is the value of y? If 3 is below the value of 2 and 13 and 17 are beyond, above the values of the given series 12. So it is outside the given range of x series. For this method of estimating the y value from the given value of x values is called extrapolation. Interpolation is with we can find with equal intervals and unequal intervals. If the arguments x values lie at equal intervals, the method depends on the position of the interpolated value. If it is at the beginning of the set of values, we use Newton's forward formula, and if it is at the end of the given x series, we use Newton's backward formula. Whereas it lies between, the interpolated value lies between the central middle of the given set of values, we use central difference formula like Gauss forward and Gauss backward formula, Bessel's formula or Stelling's formula, and Laplace-Everett's formula. There are methods to find the interpolation for unequal intervals also. The interpolated argument can lie at the beginning or middle or at the end. Wherever it lies, the methods are used Newton's divided difference formula and Lagrange's formula. Here there is no condition for equality. The x arguments may not be lies between the equal intervals. The assumptions of interpolation are: for the validity of interpolation, if we want to use interpolation, the following conditions must be satisfied. There should be a definite functional form of the for the data, and the functional form of y is equal to f of x must be an nth degree polynomial passing through n plus 1 pairs of values, and the nth degree polynomial should possess compulsorily first and second order derivatives. Numerical methods should not be applied to trigonometric, exponential, or logarithmic functions. These are the assumptions. And the uses of interpolation are: we can find population census. Generally, population census was conducted 10-year intervals only. Last census was conducted in 2011, and before that 2001. In between the years, we can estimate the estimated population for 1995 or 2005, like that. Relationship discovery, we can find the polynomial relationship between the values x and y. Calculus approximation, we can estimate first and second order derivatives at the beginning and at the end of the given x series. For finding the total of y for the given f of x values, we use numerical integration. Estimation of future values. For estimating the future values, that is extrapolation, we can use extrapolation to estimate future values of y is equal to f of x. These are the uses of interpolation. Thank you.